Hey guys, Demonics Gaming Domain here with a simple and effective way to back up and keep track of your Valheim saves. So if you're not technical savvy, go ahead and launch Valheim. And once you're in the main menu in the bottom left, like right about here where my mouse is going to be, is where it'll say show player.log. Click that and it'll automatically take you to the Iron Gate folder, which is the developer name for Valheim. And basically, you just want to back up the Valheim folder itself. Characters are containing either data for your characters, like, the character itself, the items that you have, its stats, and the worlds, likewise for the worlds. And so, one of the ways, there's a few ways you can do this. If you have 7-zip, you just go to 7-zip, add to Valheim dot 7z. If you're old school and you don't use 7-zip, you can go to syn2 compressed zip folder and then just name them, like number them or detail them. Another way is game backup monitor. This is a GitHub. It's pretty safe, it's secure, it's open source. You don't even need to actually install it into your program files or anything like that. All it is a zip file, and then you just put the files into a folder, and you can run it. So once you run it, you'll need to go to Game Manager, and then you'll need to click New, and then you'll fill everything out. Make sure you click Save Entire Folder, save multiple backups, and set limit to 0 unlimited. This way, it will make unlimited backups every time you back it up. Now, there's a monitoring. So when it detects a game right here, monitor status, whenever the game closes out, it should ask you if you want to back it up and just click yes. Otherwise, you can just go here, click back up. That's simple. That's simple. You can even launch the game from this, but I do not recommend doing that. Because the Steam overlay will not work if you're keen on taking screenshots using the default F12 key with a Steam overlay. And let's see, let's go through some settings here. So you can change detection speed, you can ignore shorter sessions, session tracking, time tracking right here, last play, last backup. And then choose your backup folder in the temp file, temp folder. I recommend creating a subfolder for each game. And here you have all these settings. Show overwrite warning, I recommend doing that. You can show a notification when a backup is complete. And for 7-zip, to incorporate 7-zip so it does it like how you're seeing right here for mine, you're going to go to 7-zip and then make sure you select the 7z.exe and then save. It'll give you a warning sometimes. Yeah, see? But it'll still work. So don't worry about that. As long as you do it exactly like I showed you and how it said, it'll work. Perfect. Now to disable the monitor status, which will still allow you to do backups manually, just click that. There you go. This basically, you see it scans, no game detected right here. I click that, not scanning. Checked green, no game detected. So that basically it's monitoring for when the game launches so it knows when to make backups and whatnot. Now, what I recommend doing is you can back it up while the game's still running. Just make sure you're in the full main menu. Otherwise, you'll get some errors because the files are in use. So, you know, it goes without saying. But anyways, there you guys go. Hope this guide helps you guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and peace.
Be sure to subscribe, 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 and subscribe.